Dear children, let's start reading, but before that, just recall what we have read. Raja Krishnadev Raya asked his ministers what was the most difficult job, and his ministers replied that to rule the country was the most difficult job. Tenali Raman didn't agree and said that there was another job that was much more difficult than ruling the country. Now, let's read further. Pay attention. More difficult than ruling the country? We cannot believe this. How can there be anything at all which is more difficult than ruling a country? Now, ministers were also surprised to know that there was another job which was difficult than ruling the country. Tell us what that job is, Raman. A mother's job is the most difficult. It is much more difficult to keep a child happy than to look after a kingdom. Can you prove it to the court, Raman? Now, king asked to tell about the job which was most difficult. Tenali Raman replied that mother's job was the most difficult job. Then Raja further said to him to prove his point. Tenali Raman comes with a woman and a little boy to the court. Ask the kind king whatever you want and he will give it to you. I want an elephant. Tenali came to the court with a woman and a little child. He told the child to ask whatever he wanted from the king, and child replied that he wanted an elephant. Bring an elephant immediately. Listening to the child, the king quickly ordered for an elephant. An elephant accompanied by a Mahavat is brought to the court. Mahavat is a person who takes care of the elephant. An elephant was brought to the court for the child. Remaining paragraphs we will read in the next video. Watch it carefully. Thank you.